In this video, I will be showing you how to use Spotify Music as alarm. The support of Spotify soundtrack alarms is a new feature on Google Clock. You can set a Spotify song as your alarm on phone device in a few quick steps. But first, you need to download both Spotify and Google's Clock app for the feature to work. So now, how to set a Spotify song as an alarm on your phone and wake up to your favorite music. First, open the Google Clock app. Tap the circle with a plus symbol in the center to create a new alarm. For example, I will set an alarm at 18:30. Once done, click OK. With your new alarm open in the Clock app, tap on the bell icon. Go and find the Spotify here. Click Spotify and swipe through the list of music until you locate one you wish to set as your alarm. You can also hit the search button to search for a specific song or artist. Once you've selected a song, it will begin to play. Now, when you return to the main alarm screen, the music you selected will now be the sound that plays when your alarm goes on. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. See you again in our next tutorial videos.